Alright, welcome to an awkward camera view video. But today actually I'm going to attempt paint protection film for the first time ever. So I got a roll of just 3M. Let's give you the part number here, if we can focus. There you go. Off Amazon as usual. This Vivid company, they're a seller on Amazon. Yeah, so 12 by 48 inches, and I'm just doing some fog lights, so should be enough. I also ordered a application kit off Amazon again. Let's get her open. Let's see what we got. Whew, super windy out today. Got something here. Like I said, I've never done this before, so I think pretty much all I'm gonna need today is maybe a squeegee. Here's one. Bunch of different tools. Knife here to cut. Yeah, a bunch of different tools, I guess, for applying big film, like I guess like full bras, hood and fender protection. Oh, look at this one. It's got a little bit of like felt on it. This nice big squeegee. No clue what this is. I'm sure someone in the comments can tell me. Replacement blades. Okay. So I think all I will need today is this squeegee, and I'm just going to use the included knife. I think these wedges are for doing window tint, because I think you wedge them into the door to get a little bit of space when you're putting the film on. Blade. Oh, and I just got some dish soap and water in a sprayer. And these are the fog lights we'll be doing. They're for 2008 Impreza. It's kind of nice. They come all the brackets and everything. Sweet. Okay. Oh. Oh no. Broken. Well, Rock Auto does have a good return policy, and maybe if we're lucky, the car does have fog lights equipped already, so maybe I will not need this bracket. Just open up my roll of PPF or 3M. I know everyone around here just calls it 3M. I know 3M's a big company. I think I'm just gonna grab a pair of scissors and just cut out a small piece and then put it on. So let's see what we got. Actually, if let's do it like this. I'm just putting the fog light on the table. I'm just gonna grab a Sharpie and just get a rough line here. That's traced here. I'm going to cut that out. Again, apologize for the camera view. Okay, so I got the cutout here. So from my understanding, you want to wet your surface with the soapy water and both surfaces of the 3M, because you want the top wet so when you squeegee it you don't tear it. So I'm going to go ahead and got that. That's it. Just gonna peel the 3M off. Soak the sticky side. And I'm going to put it on. And now we squeegee out the water. I mean, considering the size of this, I may have put too much water, but it's a lot more difficult than I thought. There's quite a bit of water behind there and some heat maybe? But I think now that I got the shape, I think I may start trimming it. Kind of just following the edge. The center feels like it's sticking pretty good now, so makes it a bit easier to trim. And then I think I'll trim, I don't want any overlap, so I think I'll go around and trim it again once the water is out. But props to the guys that do this every day because it's not easy, as I'm figuring out right now. Well, here it is. Was an absolute struggle, a lot harder than I thought, but no really bubbles or anything. If I can get it to focus here. But like, so the rounded edge here, there isn't any film on it. I couldn't get it to stick very well, so pretty much just this line right here. So where the glass is flat, that's where the film is on, and hopefully that's enough to protect it from rocks. And if a rock does hit the edge, I think the bumper protects most of that, and also with it being a round edge, I'm hoping the rocks they don't get dead shot, they like bounce off. But yeah, definitely need some practice, but it is fun, and it's a skill that I am looking forward to learning. And if this extends the lives of fog lights and headlights a few more years, then I think it's well worth the money. I think I spent about $60 in total for the application kit and this much film, so well worth it. And like I said, these will be going on a 2008 Impreza, which I'm installing a MTech 5000K HID kit in the low beams, and I already converted the high beams to 9011 HIR. So, and I'll be putting yellow bulbs in these fog lights too, so stay tuned for that. And as always, thanks for watching.